yeah, Throttle Thraper, back with another one. You're crazy. Yamaha XJ6N, big boy arrow exhaust, black and red colour coordinated, bare carbon fibre on that, big tecker. Come on, red coolant pipes, some nice red little grips and that. Got the red levers, my duck that don't give a fuck. Yeah, bare red bolts all over it. Red bolts, even got a red cap on the little calipers. Red bolts, more red bolts. I need to spray that up. Red foot peg, another red foot peg. More carbon fibre. Take it in, man. She's sexy. Let's have a look. Wow. Guess what model this is, bro? 2010. Hold that. Sun's out, the bike's out. What else do we need, man? What else do we need? Yo, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Warm the tyres up. Fucking active. Your dirty bits, man. Yeah, I'm on my ones doing this at the petrol station on what? Little one for that. What are you saying here?